And welcome my YouTube family. Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today video I'm gonna share with you how I make my macaroni pie. So I'm not talking too long, I'm gonna jump right into the intro and then we're gonna start our cooking process.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is all my ingredient I'm using. Here I have some flour. I have 2 cups of elbow macaroni. I have some milk. I have some salted butter. I have some olive oil. I have some Maggi dry jerk season. I have some salt. Here I have some yellow cheddar, mixed cheddar. And this is my palm spray I'm going to use to spray the pan before I put it to bake. So I'm going to go ahead and start the cooking process. Now my water boiling, I'm going to add my salt. Now I'm going to add the olive oil. My noodle, all of it. I have to stir it so that they don't stick. And this is going to take 8 minutes to cook. After 8 minutes, we're going to strain it off and then. So now my macaroni them cook. It's already 8 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the stove and drain them off. So I'm going to drain it off. I'm going to shock it with cold water. So I cut down the cooking process. Now I'm going to make my sauce. My macaroni pie sauce. I'm going to add a piece of butter. 1 stick of salted butter. I'm going to allow it to melt out. Now the butter melt. So I'm going to start off with my flour. So that's all of my flour. Now I'm going to go ahead with my milk. Roughly 1 cup of milk. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jerk season. 1 tablespoon of jerk season. I'm gonna whisk. Now I'm gonna add my mixed cheddar. All of it. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk. Got this, family. Yo, this is gonna taste so good with this spicy jerk season. It's gonna taste really good. Alright. My elbows to my sauce. So now I'm gonna stir in this. Mix it in. See how nice this is, guys. So I was supposed to use an aluminum foil pan, but I changed. I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna spray it so that it won't stick inside of it. Now I'm gonna add the macaroni. Yo, this jerk season smells so good in there. Hey. So now I'm gonna add the cheese on top. So the thing is perfect. So now I already preheated my oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So now I'm going to add it in the oven for 17 minutes. No longer than 17 minutes. 17 minutes gonna give me a perfect color I want on top. Golden color. So now I'm gonna pop it in the oven. So now I put it in the oven. It's gonna be for 17 minutes. No longer than 17 minutes at 400 degrees. So now this is how my macaroni pie look. I'm gonna take it out the oven. So this is how my jerk macaroni pie look when it finished. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe for a lot more videos. I have a lot more videos to come up. Peace out.